How to hide Instagram following and followers list. So if you want to hide your Instagram's following and followers list, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And after that you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three-barred icon, and head over to settings and privacy. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And if you scroll down here, you will have who can see your content, and under that you will have account privacy option. You can simply tap on account privacy, and then you have to turn your account to private account. Simply tap on private account and then switch to private. And that's it. That's how you switch your account to private. And after turning your account from public to private, your following or followers list will be hidden. So that's it. That's the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.